Good morning, class. Welcome to class today. Today we're going to be looking at use of English GS101B. I'm going to introduce you to the topic sentence patterns in English language. Before I introduce the course, you know that English language, like every other world language, is a systemized, coherent, and organized. Why do I say so? It is systemized because of what is comprised of what other elements, which makes it what a system. It is organized and it's also what coherent, which makes English what a rule-governed language. A rule-governed language, and every language of the world, as you know, has rules because there is no write-up in a language that does not follow a set of rules. English has the lowest of the lowest on the hierarchy, which is known as what? The morpheme. From the morpheme, group of morphemes comes together to make up a word, and the group of words comes together to make up a phrase. The group of phrases comes together to make up what? A sentence. And if sentence comes together, we can have what we call what? A paragraph or a full-blown essay. So today we are treating what? Sentence patterns in English. Now, my outline. First of all, we're going to be looking at what? The functional types. Sentence patterns in English language can be reduced from two angles, the functional types and the what? Construction types. So we're going to be looking at the functional types telling us what the function sentences perform in English language. Under the functional types, we're going to be looking at what? The question types, the positive sentence types, the negative sentence types, and what? Giving us a command. Under the construction types, we have what? The simple sentence, the compound sentence, and the complex sentence. Now, coming down to the functional types, let's pick out the question types as the first thing we're going to treat today. Now, when they talk of a question, we already know what they call a question. A question means what? A rise what? In intonation. When it gets to the last word, there is always what? A rise in intonation. And questions usually requires answers. So first of all, under the question types, we have the WH questions. The WH questions. And what do we mean by the WH questions? These are questions that start with what? WH words. Questions that start with WH words. And what are some of those questions? We have questions like who are you? What is this? And so many other WH words. Now, if you look at it, the first word on each sentence starts with what? WH. That is why we call such questions what? WH questions. Now, the second type of question we're going to be looking at are what we call the tag questions. Tag questions. For the tag questions, it is usually a problem to learners of English language as a second language. For example, let's take for instance Nigeria. Now, what they mean by tag questions, a question is asked, and then the statement follows immediately. A tag question, whenever the statement is positive, then the tag should be what? Negative. And whenever the statement is negative, the tag is positive. An example of a tag question is he is coming, comma, isn't he? Now, taking this sentence for example, he said he is coming. Then the tag here is what? Isn't he? What's the function of the tag? The tag stands here whenever the statement is positive, then the tag should be what? Negative. Now, we can still change this particular statement the other way around, still bearing the tag. You say he is not coming, comma, you now said what? Is he? Telling you that what? The statement initially stands as what? A negative statement. What makes it negative? Because of the morpheme not. It makes this morpheme not marks what? Negativity. So for not to enter here, making this statement negative, that means what? That has to be what? Positive. Now, the third type of question we have are what? Yes or no questions. Yes or no questions. These are the simplest type of questions asked in the English language. Why do we call it yes or no questions? The answers to the question are either a yes or a no. Now, let's give an example of such a sentence. Now, they said, are you home? Now, if you are home, your answer should be what? Yes. And if you aren't home, your answer should be no. That is why we call this what? A yes or no questions. Telling you that what the answers to such questions are either what? Yes or no. Not forgetting the fact that what? Those such sentences must end with what? A question mark, which indicates that we are asking a question. So under the functional types of sentences, under the functional type of sentence pattern in English language, we'll be able to treat the first one, talking about what? Question types. And we highlighted what? The WH questions, the tag questions, and the other one, yes or no questions. Let's go to the second sentence pattern in English language.